Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever una dey watch me. This is my first video on my channel on YouTube. My name na Olayinka Omodara. Una fit call me Dara, but I dey do my program on Facebook. But the name for my YouTube channel is Dara Talk Show. So I welcome all of una on my show today for the first time. How una be? How una side? Wetin I really want talk today na because of this our brother Sowore, Omoyele Sowore. They say because e talk say na revolution, na im make dem dey put am for trouble wey im dey na im make dem dey arrest am. Abeg, no be revolution we need for Nigeria. Wetin dey work for that Nigeria wey we say? Nothing. And we the youth, until we gather ourselves together, until we make up our mind and do that protest, me I still dey talk and say we youth, Nigerian youth, anywhere we are in the whole world, the one wey dey Nigeria there, we wey dey diaspora, we go still join head together. Make we make plan, make we do this protest. We go join one hand, make we protest, make the whole world know the kind life wey dey that Nigeria. Because we dey in diaspora, if you talk say you no reach our side, what about our family? Nobody wey go dey here, Nigeria wey dey here, wey no get one family or the other for Africa. What about your parents? If you no get parents, what about your kid? You no get kid, maybe your husband or your wife or your family or relative still dey there. So we no fit fold our hands till when? We Nigerian youth, we have to get up and wake up from our slumber. As the situation dey now, we don see say this Nigeria politics na politics of dem by dem ni. As in, all of them, they sit down on the round table and they are passing the power to themselves one after the other. Abeg, I go ask una, for this politics wey dey Nigeria among our leaders, how many youth dem allow make e join? Una remember this man wey get ovation that time? Una know say for 1 year like that, he say Dele Momodu, thank you, he say he wan become Nigeria president. Na so the guy do. That one no get head. How many youth don stand up say he wan join? Wey dem give us chance? Dem no dey give us chance, and after they go still dey deceive us say na we be the leader of tomorrow. When all of us dey suffer, you see the sufferness wey our Nigeria government dem lay on the youth, wey dem dey talk say na we be the tomorrow's leader. After EFCC begin dey arrest all the guys wey dem say dem dey do yahoo, the one wey no do yahoo say wey dey waka im own jeje, maybe where e dey live, e no get light, e wan do one thing or the other for im laptop, e carry the PC go charge for another. E finish, e wan comot dey go house, una just see am for road, una carry am hijack am, say na yahoo. Wetin dey happen for that Nigeria? Una begin, all of una, EFCC, everybody, una turn to something else, say una dey arrest yahoo for Nigeria. I no talk say yahoo good, but na yahoo be the person, the people wey una supposed to dey arrest. No be Nigerian leaders wey dey loot our money, dey carry am come this abroad, come save for the bank, wey be say after their own death, person wey no know say dem save money for one bank or the other, if they die before they no disclose the whereabout of the money, na be say the money don pafuka be that. Una know how many billions of naira wey don disappear, wey don pafuka for all those banks in abroad. Why our leaders are very useless like this? Our leaders dey very useless in the sense that we Nigerians, wey we get the money, wey they supposed to use the money for, make our road better, give us better water, make una do light for them, make una create more work for them. Una no do, una go dey carry the money wey una supposed to use to better people life for Nigeria, to better Nigeria. Una go dey carry am comot for Nigeria, go dey put am for other countries account, not because they worry una. Na cause now, after una don chop the one wey una wan chop, una wife don chop, una family, now una dey enjoy, dey live the best of life everywhere. Even some of una children, most of una children no na abroad dem dey study. As they even dey abroad sef, see, na government, na Nigeria government still dey feed them, dey pay their house rent, dey pay their school fees, dey pay everything. They wetin we commoner people like us, wetin we do, we citizen, Nigeria citizen, wetin we can't do our leader wey be say dem think for their own mind say na sufferness be our own portion. If not because of that, if not because dem get wench, their man devil don steal am. No be normal blood wey dey run from our vein na im dey run for our political leader for Nigeria vein. Because how can somebody say you be human being, you dey inside car, no matter how terrible it is, if you say you no know people dey suffer, if you dey inside your car, you dey go your office, you know dey see people wey dem dey waka for road, you know dey pass marketplace, you know dey pass people, all those road wey no good. Na so una go see, go pre ten d like say everything is okay. Una go still come do after una don shop una no know wetin una wan take money do. Una don buy many property in the whole of Nigeria. Nowhere wey una no get properties. Now una don shift am to Dubai. Now Dubai dey reign now. Go buy property for Dubai. Go build a mansion of a supermarket there. Just do, if una wan do, person chop money for Nigeria, you wan do wedding na Dubai. Everything na Dubai. Wetin? What is actually going on? How can somebody eat money till e no know wetin e wan take money do? Carry money go begin dey bury am like e bury corpse. That one no be cause. Una go carry una own children, una go send am come abroad, make dem come do better, make dem come study, give them better life. We wey we dey Nigeria, una go dey suffer us. The teachers wey dem dey teach students for Nigeria, all the teachers, the lecturers, una no go pay their salaries. No be say una dey even dey pay them better salary like that. And the small one una still dey pay them, una no go gree pay. 6 months una go dey hold salary, and una know say dem no get another thing wey dem dey take survive. Na that salary dem dey take put body and soul together. Wetin happen? Wetin we do? Una come now show Omoyele Sowore now, e come out, everybody youth join am. Dem dey join for protest, say revolution. Una begin dey arrest am, say why e go name am revolution? Wetin e suppose name am? If una dey do better, President Buhari, if una dey plan for Nigeria as una dey suppose plan for am, if una dey do better thing wey una suppose do for Nigeria, person go come and say e wan do revolution, protest for revolution. E no go do now. If e say e wan do, say nobody go support am, because nobody want trouble. Una don say nobody want trouble for that country. But as una dey push am now, e go turn to goat. That goat wey dey inside house, wey you dey pursue am, e dey run, e go reach one time wey be say after that goat don run, e don tire, e go just kukuma face you. Na the situation wey all of us dey go be this. So if Nigeria government una never know, make una begin dey know. If una no quick sit down, do the normal thing. Na we youth, shebi Sowore just start am now, una arrest am. Una go push us so tey we wey we dey in abroad sef, we go join the one wey dey Nigeria. Wetin we go do una? E go pass, e go bad pass this one wey Sowore do. Wetin dey happen now? And we still dey see some people, they still dey support government, say the thing wey dey happen, e good as they arrest Sowore, na e good as they arrested that man. Why una go dey talk like that? That guy wey go there now, wey they go arrest and put am for jail, they put am for prison, no be for you and I e dey protest for. If Nigeria better today, no be for you and I, na for you and I now. Only him now go there, go dey suffer am. But one thing wey me I know be say na Nigeria be that. Now as they arrest Sowore now, he don enter prison, no wahala. Na be say he go get head for Nigeria be that, because if you look am well for Nigeria, if dem catch you do one thing like that, dem send you prison, or EFCC carry you, dem seize this, dem seize that, dem narrate am. After dem release you, you come out like this, anything wey you just put your hand, e go just skyrocket. Shebi our former president do am, President Obasanjo. After he come out, he can't be president again. See of recent of this our brother Naira Marley, wey dey hustle in own music, jeje, one of our hip hop singer. Now so they still arrest that guy now. As he come out now, in life no better. He just released one of his latest song now called Soapy. Before he release am, na this week or last week, wey he talk am for Instagram say he need about at least 40,000 comments before he go fit release that Soapy song. And before you go know it, within 10 hours, he don see more than 40,000 comments. At last he release am, and na him go know how much e don enter him pocket now, because na the music wey dey trending now na him be the Soapy. The time wey this Soapy come out, everybody dey say no e no good, no be better thing. But as it is now, both old and young, everybody dey do Soapy dey go. So that is, to me, to my own little knowledge, I go say Omoyele Sowore, the longer you stay for where dem put you, the better for you. You go just know, that is assurance for you. Omoyele Sowore say by the time they say they don finish for your case, they release you like this. Anything you like, just do. You go know say your head don dey there be that. At least your name is being heard. You have break one yoke be that. You don shook head anyhow. Nobody go say dey that Nigeria now. When if you no know Sowore before the time they campaign for presidential this thing, now you don't know. They don't arrest you, don't protest. They don't arrest you. Everybody for Nigeria don't know who be Sowore. But I just pray say God Almighty go touch Oga Buhari, Daddy Buhari, our president. May he free you on time. But even though he still no free you, where you there? I know say na enjoyment still there. No be Nigeria. Na Nigeria now. Abeg, may una free Sowore. Me, I support am. Abeg, may we join hands together. May we raise our voice. May them feel free one of our brother. Omoyele Sowore is a youth. It's a youth. If you say one thing, the way Nigeria they go, where we all of us we know say things are not functioning in Nigeria. We not do anything. And not be say God just abandon us, or he leave us, or he forsake us. God love us because so far so good. Everything wey we needed for that country, now God Almighty don't provide for us. Mineral resources. See, no be only oil we get for Nigeria. Excuse me. We get oil, we get diamond. We get some other things where they bring money, but now because only that oil we shook head. But the other things now, they don't put head. So God really bless that Nigeria. Bless us for Nigeria. So tell he arrange wetin we go use, where we no go suffer for life. But devil can't steal our leaders' hearts. One thing wey me I no come dey understand about this our political leader be say, before they join, before they become a senator or governor or house of rep or president, I know say no be say all of them na so the wicked be. Some of them still get that heart. Say if they get that opportunity, that post, they go use am to do some renovation. They go use am to do better thing, to better Nigeria. But the moment they get there, when they get water they drink, whether na one spirit they enter them, they go just turn to devil. It go come be like say if you can't beat them, you join them. All of them just they shook head for one road like that. Nobody they even think say abeg. Some people still dey wey they know they get food to they eat. Some people still dey wey be say they no get money to they send their children go school fees. Some graduates dey since how many years? 10 years. They never see one work like that where they will take do, where they will fit take put body and soul together. And if they talk prayer for that Nigeria, I not sure say any other. They say Mecca, Saudi Arabia, where Muslims they go every year. They go pray. You sure say they even pray reach Nigeria? Because both Muslim and Christian for Nigeria, we can sabi pray. As Muslim, they pray in your Allahu Akbar for mosque. Now so you go dey hear church nearby. This one now don't talk to competition. Anywhere you see church, very close to that church, you go see mosque. Anywhere you see mosque for Nigeria, very close to that mosque, you go see church. So as the Muslim are praying, now so Christian they pray. Now so we they pray for Nigeria, pray for Nigeria, pray for Nigeria, fast for Nigeria. As we they pray, they fast. Now so it the worst they go. What's it they happen? What's it they happen? Huh? On my own, I don't know wetin dey happen. Or are we saying until God come down by himself to come and take care of that Nigeria himself? I don't know, because Nigeria is worst. Nigeria is worst. Things are getting out of hand already. What is it? May God Almighty look upon our soul for Nigeria. May he touch our leaders' hearts. May they know say we be human being. People are dying and suffering in that country. Arresting Sowore, will it be the solution? No, it will not be the solution. Now that guy just dey do im protest say he don see say Nigeria, most Nigerian we dey suffer, especially we youth. And true true, no future for youth for that Nigeria. You go just born pikin, suffer, suffer, suffer from kindergarten, spend a lot of money, stress and everything, prayer, stay support am. From kindergarten to university, come graduate finish. Now, may you look for work, no work. No work. As we know say Nigeria where we dey so na connection. If you are connected to the people, some people say because they are well connected, their children they still the 200 level for higher institution. The work wey they go do don dey wait for them. Their own office don dey wait. That is the connection. And that is why where you see some people being graduated for more than 10 years, they are still searching. Some just frustrated, they don't know what to do. They just give up and turn to a Okada rider or bus driver. I'm not saying Okada rider is not human being or a bus driver is not human being. They are all. But really, in Nigeria, these are the kind of job that we believe is made for, uneducated people or something. Gone are the older day. Yeah, before. Especially bus drivers. We believe that if you are driving a bus and a transport this thing in Nigeria, especially, yeah, we believe it's a very dirty job that's. But because you do, it's rough, it's dirty, and all these things, it's risk. And in order for a parent for our own child not to become one like that, they put head and they go extra lengths to make sure they give him or her the best of education, so that after the whole thing, then he can find a better job to do. But in Nigeria, the other way is the case. So if you like be a professor for Nigeria, no work for you. If you are not well connected, if your parent no belong to one thing or another, you will just be carrying your file up and down, your curriculum vitae. It go turn to a newspaper for your hand. Huh? Is there hope for Nigerians in Nigeria? This is the question I'm asking every time. Abeg, viewers, wey una dey watch me, is there hope for Nigerians in Nigeria, the way Nigeria is going now? If there is hope, please, if you watch this program, please drop your comment. Let me know if there is hope for we Nigerians in Nigeria, if there is hope for Nigeria in the future. Thank you very much. I have to round it up now. Till next I do my video again, I'm wishing you happy evening and bye for now.